With SENDER account you can start sending free email campaigns right away. With the free plan you can send a certain amount of emails each month for free. And free forever. Using this plan is an excellent way to test our service. When free plan is not sufficient for your needs, you have two choices. Upgrade to a paid monthly plan subscription. Or purchase messaging add-ons. Paid plan subscription is the perfect option if you want to send campaigns on a regular basis. Paid plans come with a different amount of email limit to send per month. All the plans come with all the features of the platform. Select optimal plan for your needs. Check the details. And confirm your subscription. The plan comes into effect instantly. Your plan information is displayed in the account settings and on the dashboard. Another choice is to purchase messaging add-ons. We recommend this option if you don't send emails very often, or when you need to complement your existing plan. Also, this is the only way to send SMS campaigns. Note that the add-ons you purchase will be active only until the current period of your plan expires. You can cancel subscription at any time, directly from your account settings.